So I'm doing a review for the Boltune wireless headphones, Bluetooth headphones. I'm doing this while I'm in the line for school, picking my daughter up. It's a nice little box. It's a pretty fancy little box for looking like it's environmentally friendly and all of that. You're supposed to see that? I don't know. I have important information for you. Don't steal it. Good. We've got quite a few little ear adapters here. I know that's been an issue with other headphones I've had, finding ones that fit. A nice little charger, a cute little bag, and a bag wrapper. There's the instructions and the headphones. Let's pull them out of the wrapper. Let's see what we've got here. They look to be pretty well built. Let's see if they have any juice in them. Don't know how to turn them on. I'm sure there's some directions somewhere. And it's probably one of those buttons here. But that's not it. They've got a little magnetic adapter here so you can keep them together. That's kind of fancy. Anyways, this is what they are. This is what they look like. And I will review how they're working for me in the next couple days. Thanks for watching.